Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Lux highlight. I'm inside a Lux Elite luxury fifth wheel. This is a 39 FB with the half bath and the forward sleeping and forward bathroom area. We've made an improvement here in the entertainment center. This is an option that you can pick. You can still pick the previous fireplace, but this fireplace has a nice modern sleek look. It's made by Greystone, and we're putting a real stone backsplash to kind of highlight that modern look. So hey, if you want to know more about some of our options and some of the upgrades that we've made, give us a call at 844-284-6678 or get us on the web at luxfifthwheel.com and ask about this upgraded fireplace.